At the end of the 19th century, the Spanish neuroanatomist Santiago Ramón y Cajal and the Italian neuroscientist Camillo Golgi both made great achievements in the field of neurology. Made an important breakthrough. Cajal used Golgi staining, a silver nitrate-based staining technique developed by Golgi, when studying the structure of nerve cells. Using this staining method, Cajal observed the clear structure of nerve cells under the microscope after placing brain slices in the solution. He found that brain slices showed a tree-like network structure, which was later identified as nerve cells. Based on his detailed observations, Cajal proposed the neuron theory, which held that nerve cells are independent units with directionality and transmit signals to each other through synapses. Golgi, on the other hand, holds a different view. He believed that all nerve fibers in the brain were connected together to form a continuous network. However, as research progressed, Cajal's ideas gradually gained widespread acceptance as his staining and microscopic observations provided more evidence. For their outstanding contributions to the study of nervous tissue structure, Cajal and Golgi jointly received the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1906. In Germany at the beginning of the 20th century, neurological research progressed rapidly. At that time, scientists still knew very little about how the nervous system worked, but a German neuroscientist, Otto Loewi, began to conduct in-depth research in this area. He became interested in synapses, these tiny but vital structures. Otto Loewi believed that synapses are the parts responsible for receiving and transmitting external stimuli. After continuous research, he discovered that when these synapses receive signals, they generate electrical signals by releasing specific chemicals, neurotransmitters, which in turn activate neurons. In addition, according to research by Tarja Lomo and Tim Bliss, when a neuron is regularly stimulated, the weight of its synaptic connections with other neurons changes. Increased, which is part of synaptic plasticity, specifically long-term potentiation, LTP. Meanwhile, in France, other scientists were exploring similar questions and confirmed that communication between neurons occurs primarily through these synapses. These studies lay a solid foundation for the field of neuroscience and help people gain a deeper understanding of how the brain works. Otto Loewi and Henry Dale jointly won the Nobel Prize in Physiology and Medicine in 1936 for his contribution to the discovery of neurotransmitters.